So the reason I chose to work for One Organized Mom is the way Heather and Bert take care of their girls. They take care of their girls. They not only take care of us, they make sure we take care of our clients as well.
Me gusta trabajar aquí porque somos una familia. Me siento bien, me siento cómoda y me siento feliz.
What I like most about my job is everybody's very personal with everything that we do. Dealing with customers is great, getting to know new people, new areas.
My favorite part about the job would be being able to go out to different homes to make people happy.
De este trabajo me gusta porque limpio una casa por muy desorganizada que esté y me gusta verla como la dejo, muy limpia, y me siento feliz por eso.
My favorite thing about working for One Organized Mom is the atmosphere. It is fun and upbeat, but yet serious, and we all work as a team.
My favorite thing is how we all combine and become together as a family.
I've been here 7 years. One Organized Mom takes really good care of us and their employees.
Feels like it's a family here. That's what I love most about it, honestly.
It's not your typical cleaning service. We really go above and beyond for the customers. Everybody is very personal with the customers. I really love Heather's personality. Everybody's so honest with everything. There's good integrity. We're all pretty loyal.
Communication is a really big key for me, only because let's say I need this day off or somebody else needs a day off. If we don't communicate, or if there's something that's messed up in the schedule, if there's no communication, nothing can work out. But because the communication is very clear, we're communicating through Facebook, through phone numbers, through group chats, everything. We're always together getting things done, and it makes everything a lot easier in our life, your life, and everyone's life.
One of the things that I appreciate about One Organized Mom as a company is that you can advance within the company at your speed. If you'd like to advance far, you can with your experience, your mindset, everything that you could have towards the company. They'll help you to grow with them as well as with yourself.